Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am just going to show you guys how I created my nieces and nephews Easter basket all from the Dollar Tree. So if you like this type of video or you want some tips, just keep on watching. Remember to subscribe, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Like, comment, share. I love speaking to everybody, and let's get started with this video. So I'm going to start with my niece, and there is 3 things that each basket has in common, and it is some coloring books and some more coloring books for her because they're just super cute. Some stickers. This is like My Little Pony, so cute. And I also got them putty because you know all parents love putty. Sorry, I can't. They love it. I have to give it to them. And some bubbles. I feel like kids love bubbles and they love putty. Hopefully at any age. I hope they actually like these baskets. Anyways, I also got some more stickers for her. And I mean, guys, they actually have like brand name things. So I was totally surprised, totally shocked, and I got so many cute little items just for $1. She loves My Little Pony. And then I feel like this is kind of similar to the LOL dolls, I think, maybe, hopefully. Still super cute. And of course, you need a basket. These are all $1 because, you know, Dollar Tree be popping like that. But she also loves unicorn, so I decided just to give her this cute little plush little unicorn. How cute, guys. And I also dropped something real quick, so I'll be right back. So I also got her this little coloring set for the Little Mermaid, which is like, I kind of want it myself, but you know. But that is it for her basket. It cost under $10. You guys will notice that none of the baskets will have any candy because I do little Easter egg hunt with them, and they're gonna get the candy inside the eggs when they do their Easter egg hunting. So I didn't want to overwhelm it with more candy because, you know, kids could be eating a lot of candy on Easter. But yep, that is it for her basket. So cute. Here is my nephew. Well, I'm gonna have 2 more nephews after this, but he was actually the easiest one 2 out of the nephews because, you know, the older they get, the more pickier they are. But I ended up not getting him any bubbles. Why didn't I get him no bubbles? Hold up. So I feel horrible. I did not give him bubbles, which, by the way, the bubbles were actually 3 for $1. I thought it was 4 for $1, but apparently it's only 3 for $1. So I might just end up going back to the Dollar Tree and give him bubbles, because I feel like all kids need bubbles, you know. And like I stated on the previous one, I got all the kids stickers and coloring books. So he loves Spider-Man, and I think this is gonna be so cute for him. And it's just like a magic paint poster. So pretty cool, right? And then I got some stickers, some more stickers, you know, so they could put all over the walls. Sorry, parents, love you. And Paw Patrol, which came, yeah, so these are stickers and a coloring book. I thought this was so cute. Like, come on now. How adorable are these little dinosaurs? Oh, they're tattoos. I just realized they were tattoos. Yay, so you could put all over his face. Just kidding. He does love cars, so I got him a little set of cars. Come on now. 3 for $1. Can't beat that. Some more putty so the parents could get mad at me. But, you know, I am the titi, so they could get whatever they want with me. Oh, just kidding. And then I got him a little cute little dinosaur plush toy. That was super cute. And then, of course, this is actually for me, hoping that he would just be obsessed with Ninja Turtles like I am. But anyways, I got him this, and it's actually a towel. So when you put it in water, it will become a towel. That is it for his basket. I'm going to go get him some bubbles, guys. I'm sorry, little Louie. Actually, his name is Louis, but I always call him Louis for some reason. Okay, so with this nephew, he loves Roblox and Minecraft. However, you know, it's a Dollar Tree, so they're not gonna have the name brand, but I did end up finding these pretty cool little Legos sets where it kind of looks like Minecraft or Roblox, I think, maybe. I don't know, but I thought it was pretty cool. It's just $1, so I was like, yeah, he should have fun with that. And then it came with little characters just for $1. And then, like I stated, some bubbles, some putties, you know. And then I got him slime, and it is also with that brand where it's like Minecraft and Roblox. I don't know, guys. It's just slime, and there's like a character in here somewhere. Like, again, slime and putty. Yikes. And then I got him a little set of, you know, a little gun pellet thingy. Little soft dart shooter, so don't worry, they won't hurt. Kind of, I don't think so. And then I got him stickers, the same brand as this. And then I got him a coloring set, which I hope he likes, because there wasn't like a coloring set for this person, which I wish it did. You know, it will make sense, right, if they had like a coloring set for that. And then, of course, again, basket, all under $10, guys. Remember, these came 3 for $1. Sorry, it's not really focusing. So that is my second nephew, and I am going to lead off with my last nephew. Okay, so this is my last nephew, and he loves dinosaurs and army men and you know, sharks. He loves sharks, actually. So I thought this was pretty cool. It's a shark, and it grows 600% when you put it in water. So I think he's gonna like this because he's obsessed with sharks, so he'll definitely love that. And then, like I said, he's obsessed with sharks, so I got him another toy shark. You know, I don't know why it's not focusing, and excuse the nails, gross, it's fine. And then I got him a little dinosaur set. How cute. Some bubbles, some putty, and then I got him some army men. I mean, for $1, 35 pieces, can't go wrong. I did give him one Christmas, like a whole set, and it was like freaking $20–30. So here's a coloring book with, oh my goodness, so rude. Anyways, I don't know if you heard that honk, but that was so rude. But a coloring set for dinosaur, and then Jurassic Park coloring set. Apparently I didn't give him stickers. You know, I guess I just lied, guys. But oh, there's the stickers. I didn't lie. But that is it for their Easter basket. I hope you guys got some ideas, and now I am just going to assemble these bad boys with this. I only got one because it's like I had some from last year's, and it's not going to really fill up all the way. It's just a little cushion to come up. So you guys are just going to see me assemble them.
Trying to get to you when you're on the low. Trying to get to you when it's on the line. Had enough, had enough, had enough. Trying to tell you that it's time to give it up. Trying to tell you that you're never gonna shine. It's enough, it's enough, it's enough. But when you're going down, falling to your knees, it's time to believe. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. No matter how it hurts, you're gonna let it bleed. No matter how you feel. Rise up, rise up, rise up. When you've had enough, when the crowd gets rough, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. When your cloud goes dark, when you lose your heart, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. Cause we all walk to the same beat, and from town to town feel like giving in. Had enough, had enough, had enough. No matter how.
So that is it, guys. I hope you got some ideas for your kids' Easter basket. And like I stated before, this is all from the Dollar Tree, and I think they came out pretty cute and pretty well, and I think they will all enjoy this. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Please remember to subscribe, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, comment, like, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.